2012 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, MP3 player, CD player, power door locks, passenger airbag on-off switch, child safety locks, passenger airbag, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, intermittent wipers. This vehicle is CAR FAX certified one owner and qualifies for CAR FAX buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.